What is this? You putting the... Is this AI? You have AI? Don't put the AI in your one. One of my friend, she putting the AI in her shorts. She demonetized. I don't know why, but when she demonetized, because of the AI. She putting. Don't put any AI in your one, in your short. Eat. Better the one, take a video, your own video, your original video better.